Hi, in the last video about onboarding a new customer, we showed you how to manually create a new customer and then add phone lines both on our web UI and Cloud PBX Healthcare portal. There are, however, alternatives to manual configuration. PortaSwitch owners often use external applications such as CRM or ERP, as well as in-house developed portals to create customers and phone lines in PortaBilling. External applications communicate with PortaBilling via API. API is a set of functions that PortaSwitch supports to allow applications obtain information about entities in PortaBilling, such as customer, for example. It also allows creating or modifying entities. For example, we can add a new phone line under an existing customer using API. Let's have a look at examples of external systems that support provisioning of Cloud PBX customers in PortaBilling. In today's video, we are going to talk about Cloud PBX Sign-up Portal. If you are looking to sign up new small business PBX customers, the Cloud PBX Sign-up Portal is an excellent choice. However, if you're selling your Cloud PBX services to small and medium enterprises who want to migrate from another switch, the Cloud PBX Onboarding Wizard is the way to go. And of course, custom third-party portals can be integrated with PortaSwitch as well. By the way, the admin interface that we used in our last video for manual customer creation also communicates with PortaSwitch via API. Our customer ABC Enterprise who is ready to sign up can do it directly on the Cloud PBX Sign-up portal. In this video, we will only be covering the onboarding of a new customer via the portal, so we are assuming that the Super Telco admin has already set up the portal with all the necessary products and services that are available to customers to choose from. I'm going to be playing the role of ABC Enterprise's IT manager who saw Super Telco's ad and wants to subscribe to their Cloud PBX service. On the first screen, we will select the desired product. For each product, we see the description of the bundle included and the default feature configuration. We're going to pick one phone line with basic Cloud PBX product with unlimited inbound calls and 1,000 monthly minutes to the EU, all that for $9.99 per month. Let's click Add to Cart and click Next. Customer can activate more phone lines directly on the Cloud PBX Self-Care portal. Okay, now we are on the next page. Here we can choose additional services. For instance, we want one phone number, also called DID number, to be allocated to our customer. Let's click Add to Cart and click Next. We also have the option of purchasing physical VoIP phones, the ones that are installed on an office desk, or we can choose a mobile app such as Portaphone, which will be free of charge. Okay, let's click Add to Cart again and click Next. At the next step, the portal will ask for our contact information. I have entered some data for John Doe, our representative of ABC Enterprise. Now I'm ready to click Next. As this is a test system, I'm going to add a test credit card. I'm going to accept terms and conditions and click Sign Up. The last step is the confirmation screen. We are signing up for one phone line with the basic Cloud PBX product. When we click Charge my card and provision my account, the account will be automatically provisioned in PortaBilling, and the credit card will be charged the activation and subscription fees. Okay, let's click it. And now we're done. We get a QR code that can be scanned to configure the Portaphone app that we selected during the sign-up process on our smartphone automatically. And besides this, we will receive a confirmation email with important information, such as the link to the self-care portal. In the next video, we will demonstrate how to onboard a new customer using the Cloud PBX Onboarding Wizard.